Warm good evening, everybody. We have with us Dr. Komal, and she is a graduate from DMSF, the Wow Medical School. We are very, very happy to know that she has cleared this exam with a very high score. Warm welcome, Dr. Komal. कैसा लग रहा है? How are you feeling now?
Thank you, sir. So I'm feeling very, very happy. My parents are also very happy with the score. Yes.
This was your first attempt, Dr. Komal?
Yes, sir. My
When
first
did you graduate?
in February 2025.
In
Yes.
February. And what is the score that you have scored this time?
201, sir.
201. That's nice. That's
Yes.
amazing. And Dr. Komal, where were you at the exam results day, right? जब results आए थे, where were you and how was the whole atmosphere for you?
Sir, I was like every day I thought the result won't come because we've been waiting since a long time, as you know. But I was just randomly checking my phone and I saw the results were out. So I was very like shaking very much during checking the results. Then I ran to my parents and they just hugged me and they were very happy and very content with the score.
Nice, nice.
Yes.
I think Komal, you were very active during the sessions. I feel you were regularly communicating and interacting.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
I used to answer actually.
yes, 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 yes. How was the whole experience, Dr. Komal, throughout this FMG journey?
Sir, actually, when you came to Davao for in January, in the beginning, I was like, I didn't know anything about the FMG, but then when you all, Dr. Priyansh sir, you also came, and Dr. Nadeem sir, so my confidence increased a little bit, and the online experience was really good. I was in the online batch, and it was very, very helpful, sir.
Nice,
So
nice.
yes.
I think a lot of credit to the Kings team there, like to have
Yes.
session started off. I mean, I think that gives an early advantage. Like
Yes,
I
sir.
think we completed
It
three
really
subjects
helped.
properly. You understood how the workbooks have to be used, how the classes, the long classes will have to sit. I
Yes.
think that was the first experience for all of you, right? To
Yes,
see
sir.
the
Yes.
entire thing. And the preliminary acclimatization, I would say. Once
Yes.
it's done, it becomes easier once you have come back.
Yes,
Nice.
sir.
Dr. Komal, please tell me, how was your college days? How was the WoW as such, the whole experience of the WoW?
Davao, sir, it was really nice actually. In our college days, also, they mainly focused on the basics and like building the concept. So it really helped throughout the journey. And after joining Arise, I mainly focused on basics only. And I
Mm,
just read the workbooks.
nice.
And yes, sir, it was
Okay.
helpful.
Few things about clerkship. आप लोग का clerkship hectic होता है, right? Especially
Yes,
in
sir.
uh, was it comfortable to manage the sessions? Like
So in the we have school rotation, we have hospital rotation. So I used to study during the school rotation, so it would be very helpful during the hospital rotations.
okay.
So I would advise the juniors to do that.
So I think clerkships may up you a lot of clinical training actually helps you when you are
Yes,
going through
sir.
your clinical
Yes.
subjects, when you're learning
Yes.
OBG, surgery. I think
Yes.
whatever you've done exposed in your
Yes.
the clerkship time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It does become hectic, right? To be able to balance the FMG preparation with
Yes,
clerkships,
sir. It was hectic during the clerkship somehow.
manage kar
We
sakte.
have to
How
manage.
was how much time would you get?
During school rotation, we would get like ample of time because we just had to go to the school for 4 to 5 hours. But during
Mm,
hospital, it was very difficult because we have 12 hours duty. So that time it
mm,
was difficult to manage. But during school
mm.
hours, we would get like 8 to 10 hours. Like,
I think if you're determined, you will find some space for yourself,
yes,
right? So go
yes,
there.
sir.
Otherwise, you'll always have excuses to make, right? So
Yes,
there are some. So we can study during clerkship. 2 hours, 3 hours,
yes,
we can study,
we can,
right?
yes, sir. Like, we can start small also. Like, we don't have to complete the entire subject, but it's okay. It's nice to be in touch. It really helps.
And Komal, please let you know about starting this medical journey. आप कैसा गए all the way to Philippines? How did it all start for you? Like after your 12th?
Sir, actually, I had taken a drop after my
Mm,
NEET, but I scored
mm,
very less.
mm,
And after that, I joined actually BSc microbiology.
mm.
But then we got to know
अच्छा.
about DMSF, and then we straight away joined there. So there were
Mm,
very good reviews regarding the college.
mm. I
So
think anybody have were there before, or you just wanted to take this up?
my friend's friend was there, so I just asked about it. It was a good option. So we
And
just
which
went ahead.
after how many months of BSc could you make this decision of a changeover?
3 weeks, or only 3 weeks, I went to the college and I changed. I couldn't do it.
I'm really happy that that
Yes.
decision. I think it takes a lot of courage and bold
Yes,
decisions to
sir.
make, and you made it worked also. You have come and cleared it in the first attempt, and that to very high score. That shows the kind of determination that you went through.
Thank you,
Nice.
sir.
And Dr. Komal, please tell me something about your background. Like how many siblings do you have, and anybody from the medical background, maybe parents?
I have one brother, but
Mm,
he is in commerce, and nobody in my family is in the medicine background. I'm the
sure.
first doctor in my family,
Nice.
and my
Nice.
dad's also an engineer.
Nice, nice. Really happy,
Yes.
and I think you have made your parents proud, and all
Yes.
the dreams of getting a doctor back in the family
Yes,
is
sir.
done. Nice, nice.
They're very happy.
And Komal, please tell me about your journey with King's Arise. Right, you started with the different faculties in Philippines, coming to your
Yes.
campus, teaching you there, and then you continued back here. And during this
Yes,
journey,
sir.
you have met a lot of faculties. I think every few days you see
Yes, new
different
faculties.
yes, right?
Yes.
Uh, how was this whole experience of going through these classes with Arise?
So it was very, very nice. I mean, all the teachers made the subject so easy and very understandable. Like first radio when we did in Davao, it was a little intimidating, but at the end you just realize that it's okay. Like as you
Mhm.
do the subjects, as you go on your preparation, you just get that okay, radio is not that difficult as it might seem in the beginning. Yes, and all the faculties were very, very helpful. I revised the workbooks actually again and again, and I used to revise it on that day itself. The same content, I used to
Mm,
make sure I revise that day. So I would
mm.
advise everyone to do that.
And you would complete whatever was taught the same day,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir.
Mm.
Yes,
And I think that's the important part. So
yes,
if you postpone that, the schedule gets messed up. In a
yes,
tight
sir.
schedule where you have 19 subjects to complete, being able to revise the same day is a
Yes,
very important part.
yes.
And Dr. Komal, please tell about the foundation subjects, anatomy, like Dr. Dheeraj sir would be doing it. How did you
Yes.
find it?
Anatomy, especially for me, was a little difficult actually. I had to
Mm,
do it many, many times to revise it, memorize it. Dheeraj sir, all the stories, it really stuck with me during the exam also. And physiology also very, very important for pathology and
understand
medicine.
the basics.
And Sridhara sir was amazing. And
Mm.
biochemistry, Priyansh sir, though, always nice. Yeah.
Nice, nice. And did you follow the workbook, or did you also use an additional source with it?
No, sir, I stuck to the workbooks only. So
Okay.
all the content is from workbooks only. Like all the questions from the exam, like very hardly there are different, but
Mm.
like 95% were from the workbooks. So
Okay. So I
we just
think,
had to revise it again and again.
was it a difficult decision, Komal? आप लोग के लिए we were first time we were coming to your college, right? You never had
Yes,
that
sir.
exposure to, I can see there is a lot of newness
Yes.
about
Yes.
Arise and the whole association with Kings. I think you were all studying different places at that time already.
Yes. Yes,
So
sir.
it took a lot of, changeover to make them
Um,
accept, or was it the transition smooth?
It was smooth only because you took a demo class in our college. I remember we
Yes, yes,
took
yes, yes.
the urology, right?
Yes.
Uroradiology. So
Mm,
that day only I decided that I have to go with Arise. The class was
nice,
really nice and it just helped me making
nice,
my decision.
nice.
It was a very good decision
And
for Kings to come to
mm.
DMSF.
And what was the experience in Philippines when we did on-campus classes? How different was that after graduating? The same, classes in
In
DMSF and classes after coming back to India.
Sir, actually in DMSF we had offline classes, right?
Yeah.
So that was like I'm very comfortable with online, but
Acha.
offline also it was really nice. Sir. Half the
Mm,
things we could only do it in classes, like
mm,
we just had to revise at home. All the things we would memorize in the class, so it was really
mm.
nice, and it helped build me like it built the concepts and it increased my confidence actually with every subject.
Nice. Dr. Komal, when we were studying online, were you using it like at your comfort zone, or were you following the schedule? Were you a live student, or would you watch the
Live.
recorded lectures?
No, sir. I used
Live
to watch
student.
it live because it just leads to backlog and I didn't want to do that. So I used to attend
Mm.
the classes every day live and then I
Mm.
used to study the workbooks later and then do the Q
Oh,
banks also.
Some suggestions, Dr. Komal, because our online students will be listening to you, and some suggestions that helps you attend live. What mindset or anything you would organize in the morning before the classes? What time would you be on your study table? How would you actually prepare yourself, and how would you utilize the breaks? And to be on a live session in a scheduled manner, right, on a regular basis, when you already know there is a option of a recorded lecture coming back to you. What is that thing that made you so organized with the live sessions?
So I used to think that there is no recorded session, there's only live, and I have to do it. So I would advise the juniors not to rely on the recorded sessions, because when you do it live, it's a live interaction. So it's better for you to remember stuff, and it
Mm.
just leads to backlog. So I would advise the juniors to just wake up early, just take a good breakfast and study a little bit, just a little bit overview of the subject, and then when the classes happen, it's just easier to read and understand.
So I think what you're seeing is not to think that there is no recorded lecture at all.
Yes,
So
yes, sir.
don't be in your comfort zone. Don't
Yes,
be in your
yes.
lack of schedule. Good. Any favorite faculty, Dr. Komal? All of the 19 subjects:
Sir,
Patho, Pharma, Pro, ENT, Optal, right? Medicine, surgery.
ENT, Rajiv sir was amazing. Priyansh sir also. Nadeem sir to always is amazing only. You also
Mm.
saw it was really, really nice. All the
Nice.
faculties are actually.
Nice. And Dr. Komal, did you follow the entire schedule of ARISE? Like there were a theory discussion in the initial part, then we go on to
Mm.
test and discussion and the
Yes.
revision, quick revision and the fast track revision. Did you
Yes, sir.
all the parts of this system?
Yes, sir. I attended the TNDs and then all the QRPs and then the FTR also. And actually, in the
Mm.
end, the FTR, QRP, and the TNDs also, it was very helpful, because in the
Mm.
exam, we can recall everything. That was very helpful, actually. In the
I think
end, yes.
the revision part also will be taken care, right?
Yes, yes,
So you
sir.
just follow the
Yes,
schedule, the whole
yes,
system takes care of the things
yes.
you have to do. Mm.
Because when we just follow the schedule, easily 3 to 4 revisions are already done.
True.
So that is like
Mm.
just stick to the schedule.
And Komal, how did you handle these major subjects? Like we get OBG, surgery, like medicine. These are very big subjects,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Students, PSM, and it consumes a lot of time for the students. What was
Yes.
your strategy for these subjects?
So for these subjects, I used to study when the classes were going on. I used to study on the that day itself, and then after that, when 1 month was left or 2 months was left, so every morning I used to get up at 6 o'clock before the classes, and I used to
Mm.
study those volatile subjects like OBG, PSM, and
Mm.
surgery. Also, surgery was a bit difficult for me, so I had to give it quite a few reads actually. So I used to
Mm.
make sure I revise, and like I used to be in touch with those subjects.
So what you're saying is before the class, before 9 o'clock, between
Yes.
6 to 9, you have
Yes.
allotted your time for your own weak subjects, especially
Yes,
the
yes,
field and
sir.
the major subjects. Nice,
Yes.
nice. And from 9 o'clock, you went with the class schedule and you
Classes.
also revised whatever the same day they was that was
Yes.
taught.
Yes, sir.
And how about your MCQ practice, Dr. Komal? How did you use them, and
Uh,
how much, to what extent were you doing this? Like, were you doing only PYQs, or you tried to do a lot of subject-wise MCQs also?
First, I finished with the PYQ, sir, and
Mm.
then I did with the subject MCQs, because Priyan sir, Sandeep sir, they advise that as soon as you finish the classes, first you do the Q bank and then you revise, so that you
Mm.
retain more and you understand more what needs to be studied. So as soon as
Mm.
the classes got over, I used to do the MCQs of the topic which was done already, and then I used to study the content, and then I used to
Yeah.
again revise the MCQs, what went
Right.
wrong. So
Mm.
it was the schedules. It's very difficult to do it at the beginning, sir, but you just get used to it. You have to get used to it. Like you need
I
to
think
get
you
in
should
that
not carry.
mindset.
True, true, true. You should not have a plan B. You have to do this.
Yes.
एक बार करो अच्छे से करो और
Why?
वो it gets done, right?
Yes.
True.
It's not easy in the beginning. It's difficult for everyone, but you just have to push through it, is what I would advise everyone.
And once that marks 200 plus comes in, right? All that effort looks
Yes,
worthwhile, right?
sir.
All that
It
effort, all that small sacrifices
yeah,
done, it looks worthwhile.
yes,
Hmm.
sir. It really does. Nothing
Hmm.
compares to that happiness when you see those marks and like all the efforts just
Yeah, it validates everything. All that
yes.
small. It must have been a major decision, right? To having joined a course and then switching off, then going all abroad.
Yes, sir.
A lot of credit to your parents also. to be
Yes.
able to take such decisions, and really happy for you.
Thank you, sir.
And Dr. Komal, you know DMSF, right? And you know the schedules there. What would your advice be to the juniors listening to you, like the first year, second year students? There'll be a lot of apprehension about this exam for many of them, right? What would your suggestion be to them? Also, I would want to know what would you advise to people who are appearing for this January exam, January 17 exam with 3 to 4 months left? What would you advise these two group of people?
So for the first and second years, I would advise to just read the textbooks and be thorough in the concepts because it helps in the
Mm,
long run.
true.
Just reading for a while, it doesn't help actually. So your
Mm,
concepts should be clear. For the Jan who will be appearing, I would advise them to build their basic concepts and read all the subjects together because now one-liners actually like hardly there are very few one-liners in the exam. So all are integrated questions. So just they should practice more clinical questions and look at the subjects more clinically oriented is what I would
mm.
suggest.
And doing 19 subjects is essential, or do you think maybe 14 subjects we will be done with this?
No, sir, I did all the 19 subjects because you never know which subject might appear more in the
True,
exams because this time we had
true,
ophtha more and we're
true.
not
Agree.
expected it. Never take a chance, I would say. We
True,
should
true.
subject complete all the subjects.
And Dr. Komal, how would you balance your stress during this period? Like there is a lot of hectic schedule, but I think being at home that gives you that ease also.
Yes,
But
yes.
any other methods did you use? Did you talk to your friends, or you had any company during this
Yes,
period?
sir. I had a friend who also had joined online classes. So I used to talk to her daily, every day. We used to just
Mm,
discuss everything. And yeah, I used to talk to my friends. And some days when I didn't feel like studying, I would take rest because
mm,
rest is also very essential. So
true.
few days, sometimes I just did a little, not much.
Mm.
So
On
that's
the
how I,
exam,
yes,
the self-preparation day, or
yes,
after the
yes,
exam, right? You took a
yes,
break off. It's important also.
yes,
Mm.
sir.
Anything you could manage, any hobby you could manage, or anything like along with studies, or you were only studying like
No, sir,
properly
there
6 months?
was really no time actually. That
No
was
time.
difficult to manage first.
True.
I thought I would be able to, but I could not actually.
I think you guys also came in February, and
Yes, yes, sir. I
mm,
had missed I had missed actually three, four subjects. So
acha, by
later
the
I
time
had,
you guys came.
yes, major
Mm,
subject like pathology and physiology I had missed. So I
mm.
had to
And how
cover
did you cope
that
up?
also.
How did you cope up with that?
So in between only when we had time, we had preparation days.
Mm,
So that's the time I had to do it. Like there was no other option. So
mm.
on the holidays, self-preparation days, I used to do little by little.
And Komal, what was your? Are you an iPad person, or are you a hard copy person?
A hard copy, sir. I cannot do with iPads. I need a
Okay.
physical book in my
True.
hand.
Nice, nice. Okay. How was your GTs? How did your initial GT score be, and how did that change towards the end?
My first GT score was 203. Yes, my
Sure.
first GT. Yes. Actually, I was happy with that score initially. And then my highest score was 225 in
Nice,
the
nice.
GT.
I
Yes, sir.
think you consistently were above 200 then, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Nice, nice, nice. And Komal, anytime did you feel, is it right what I'm doing? Like there are so many people doing so many other things. Like I think many of your seniors also, many of your classmates also must be, giving you a lot of different advices. Were you having that doubt, or were you content with what was happening?
Yes, so it's very difficult to focus on but you have to stick to that source which you use, like just one source. Do not go to other sources. You feel tempted that you feel the FOMO that, oh, my friend is doing that, my friend is doing that, but you have to
Mm,
stick to one source. So I
mm.
just stuck to Arise and it just helped
It
me, sir.
worked.
Yes.
Nice. I think lot of the stress can be managed if you just follow the schedule smoothly, right? So if
Yes,
you
yes, sir.
just carry on with the schedule, I think everything will be taken care of, right?
Yes.
Instead of doing a lot of experiments with your preparation, lot of different random things. And I liked it. You missed 2 3 subjects, but still you could cope up, right? So there
Yes,
was
sir.
enough time, right? There is time
Yes,
that we
sir.
can manage. Mm. And please tell me your revision strategy, Komal. एक बार 19 subjects हो गए आपके पास. You have done your theory part, and
Yes.
there's always this temptation. Okay, I will disconnect from everything. I'll do it myself, right? Now, once that is done, so many students I feel that get into that thing. And did you do something like that, or did you channel your preparation towards the schedule of TND?
No, sir, I didn't disconnect. I followed through the TND. As you said, we had a Zoom meeting, and you said complete the portion as much as you can from the workbook. So we had like 1.5 days. So I used to make sure that I complete my portion then and there. And before that, also, when we had the regular classes, as I said, I used to wake up early and
Mm,
do my weak subjects like volatile subjects, pharma also.
mm.
So I stuck to the TND, and that's when I completed my 19 subjects revision. And then later we had QRP and the FTR also. So it
How
was
was
actually
QRP?
it was taken care of, sir. The revision, you just stick to the schedule and it's done.
How was QRP experience, Komal? Like, lot of top subjects, three subjects in one day, and you have studied in a different pattern. Now this thing
Yes.
comes up, which is again high yield. Also, some students, get confused how to handle QRP. What did you do, Alik? How did you take this up?
So on the first day it was very overwhelming actually. First day we had surgery, and then second day we had classes with you. We completed 3 to 4 subjects in like but that
Mm,
one day. So it was a bit overwhelming, but I just told myself that you have to focus and there is no other option. So just every day I would listen to the classes, and then quick revision I would give after the class
nice.
was done, after the QRP class was done.
Yeah, I think that eases out your own.
Yes, yes,
हम
sir.
समझते we think that by doing it ourselves will do a lot, but again then you start getting into
Mm,
that loop.
yes,
इसको
sir.
better है कि भी कर लो साथ में, right?
Like doing yourself, it just gives you a lot more stress actually.
Hmm.
So I would just suggest everyone to stick to the schedule, trust the process, just trust arise, and it will be done.
And really happy, Dr. Komal, on an amazing success. We are all proud of you, the kind of effort that you have put in, and the kind of success that you have brought in. Really happy for you, and my wishes to your parents, and my regards to your parents, and also wishing you a bright future. Stay blessed, stay happy, and thank you for talking
Thank you.
to us.
Thank you
Okay,
so much, sir. Thank
take
you.
care. Take care.